Hey, bitches. So, I know I told y'all I wasn't going to post on here anymore, but I thought maybe it's time. Okay. I'm going to just kind of go over some things that's happened in sequential order and point out how fucking weird, coincidentally, it is. Okay. So, let's rewind back to the fact that our government tested our planetary defense mechanism. And shortly after that, like not even within a couple weeks, we're starting to have these sightings of weather balloons around the globe. And coincidentally, we started having all these weird sightings of different things, anomalies up in space. People are seeing things with telescopes. Okay. And then suddenly we get all these reports. People are reporting a UFO sighting. Okay. Not just one, but like 3 UFO sightings. Okay. And then right after that, suddenly we have a mission that nobody knew fucking about. The dragon going up in space. For what? Oh, for what? Cosmetic research? Right after a UFO was spotted? When there was anomalies spotted on telescopes not even 3 weeks ago? Okay? We're talking asteroids the size of Texas. I'm a conspiracy theorist all day long, but you can come up with your own, okay, with the facts. These are facts, mind you, that I have given you. Nothing is made up. Nothing is an opinion. I haven't given my opinion. I'm giving you facts. You come up with your own conclusion here. I've come up with mine. I think it's all fucking related. And I think that we have just dodged a serious asteroid planetary destructive catastrophe. And I believe that the dragon had something to do with that, because why the fuck would it be going so fast back to Earth where it hits re-entry and it causes a sonic boom?